Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter 2 which is biodiversity. So आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे MCQs को. तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है which of the following taxonomic ranks presents the broadest rank. इनमें से कौन सा टेक्सोनोमिक रैंक है जो ब्रॉडेस्ट रैंक को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ऑप्शन नंबर ए स्पीशीज, ऑप्शन नंबर बी जीनस, ऑप्शन नंबर सी kingdom, option number D domain. The correct answer is domain because domain present the broadest rank in taxonomic hierarchy. Question number 2. Which characteristics is unique to the organism in the domain Archaea? Archaea domain के जो organisms हैं इनके unique characteristics क्या हैं? Option number A cell wall made of peptidoglycan. Option number B presence of nucleus. Option number C ability to live in extreme environment. Option number D lack of ribosome. The correct answer is option number C because domain Archaea has the ability to live in the extreme environment. Question number 3. Which of these statement is not related to bacteria? इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट है जो बैक्टीरिया से रिलेटेड नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए डू नॉट हैव न्यूक्लियस. Option number B cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Option number C most are heterotrophic. Option number D have chlorophyll in their chloroplast. Bacteria do not have chlorophyll in their chloroplast because bacteria के अंदर chloroplast नहीं होता. ठीक है. So the correct answer is option number D which is have chlorophyll in their chloroplast. Question number 4. Which of these organisms belong to the domain Eukarya? इनमें से कौन सा ऑर्गेनिज्म है डोमेन यूकेरिया से जो बिलोंग करता है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए एस्चर्चिया कोलाई, ऑप्शन नंबर बी यीस्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर सी कोरोना वायरस एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी नन ऑफ दीज. एस्चर्चिया कोलाई इज अ बैक्टीरिया एंड कोरोना वायरस इज अ वायरस. सो डोमेन यूकेरिया से जो बिलोंग करते हैं ऑर्गेनिज्म वो हैं ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज़ यीस्ट. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज़ यीस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दैट डिस्टिंग्विश यूकैरियोटिक सेल फ्रॉम द प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल? इनमें से कौन सा की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है जो यूकैरियोटिक सेल को प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल से डिस्टिंग्विश करता है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए लैक ऑफ सेल वॉल, option number B presence of nucleus, option number C absence of ribosomes, option number D smaller size. The correct answer is option number B which is presence of nucleus because the prokaryotic cell do not have nucleus and the eukaryotic cell have a proper nucleus. Question number 6. Which kingdom include organisms that are primarily unicellular, eukaryotic and are often heterotrophic? Option number A Archaea, option number B Protista, option number C fungi, option number D Plantae. The correct answer is option number B Protista because the Protista are primarily unicellular, eukaryotic and are often heterotrophic. Question number 7. Why are fungi included in heterotrophic organisms? Option number A have chitin in the cell wall. Option number B absorb nutrients. Option number C reproduce by spores and option number D cannot prepare food. The correct answer is absorb nutrient which is option number B because fungi are heterotrophic organisms that get their food by absorbing nutrients from the decaying organic matter. So the correct answer is option number B absorb nutrients. Question number 8. Why it is impossible to classify virus within traditional biological kingdoms? Option number A. They lack cellular structure and organelle. Option number B. They cannot perform photosynthesis. Option number C. They are smaller in size than bacteria. Option number D. They are parasite. The correct answer is option number A which is they lack cellular structure and organelles. That's why they are not impossible to classify virus within traditional biological kingdoms. Question number 9. Which of the following is correct way for writing the scientific name of human? The correct way of scientific name of humans. Option number A, Homo sapiens. Option number B, again Homo sapiens. Option number C, option number D. The correct way of writing the scientific name of human is option number A, which is genus name is written in italics, start with the capital letters, and species name start with the smaller letter. So the correct answer is option number A, which is written in italics as Homo sapiens. Question number 10. Which information you can get if you know the scientific name of an organism? Option number A, kingdom and phylum. Option number B, phylum and genus. Option number C, genus and species. And option number D, class and species. Whenever you see the scientific name of an organism, you will find the information of genus and species. So the correct answer is option number C, which is genus and species. आई होप आपने तमाम MCQs को अच्छे तरीके से अंडरस्टैंड किया होगा. मज़ीद अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए अपनी बुक से रीडिंग कीजिए. आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास विद अ न्यू लेसन. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.